Hello, everybody. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Ivory Norris. I'm from Jersey City, New Jersey, and I need your help. Let me explain. Several weeks ago, I submitted a written entry to the Recording Connections Audio School to win a scholarship. Now, this school is not your traditional school. No, I won't be sitting in a classroom with 30 or more students being taught by one person. No, at the Recording Connections Audio School, I will be in a studio working with a mentor. That's it. Just me and my mentor. How sweet is that? But this won't happen unless I have your vote. You see, the contest to win the scholarship is based on votes submitted from Facebook accounts. I don't have too many friends that have Facebook accounts. That's where you come in, my new friends. Would you please go to your Facebook accounts, enter in the website, which I will give you later, and cast in your vote for me, Ivory Norris, to win a scholarship. That's it. It's not asking too much, I hope. The website is www.theconnectors.tv/question mark contest dash entry equal sign Ivory dash Norris. Go to that website, cast in your vote for me, Ivory Norris. I'm late to the game right now. There's so many players out there ahead of me with so many votes. There's a couple fellas with 300, 200 votes. I only got five so far. So please help me. I'll be so ever grateful to you. That's it. I thank you for your time. You guys take care of yourself, and I wish everyone the best in this new year that's coming. Take care. Be cool.